Hello traders, Sid here with another trade recap, and today I'm going to cover the trades that I took on SPY on Friday. Now on Friday I took 3 trades on SPY and 2 of them were winning trades, and the last one was kind of like a bad trade, I would say. For the first trade I entered into around like 10:53 and got out of the trade at 10:57. Now on this trade I earn around like $48 or $46 to be precise. And on the next trade, this trade was kind of like unnecessary because I opened the put position over here. On this trade, on my first trade I was quite lucky to go away with some money, but this second trade was kind of lengthy and there was no reason for me to take this trade on the put side when the buying pressure was clearly significant and there was a clear uptrend. Now the third trade that I took, we will see all the strike price in a minute, but this third trade was kind of like a extremely bad trade and I had no reason to go into the trade with the put position when the buying pressure was clearly strong. And we are kind of like seeing this type of pattern over the weekends, specifically on the Friday, where most of the short sellers are covering their position and it creates the buying pressure and push the price aggressively towards the high side. So when I opened this position, I was expected it to go towards 440 and then flush back down towards 438 and 435, but that didn't happen. That trade goes against me, and I had to take a massive loss on this position. And basically on this trade I gave back all the profit that I got throughout the week. So on Tuesday I had a losses about $226, which I covered in my previous trade recap video. Then on Wednesday I had a decent profit, $140. On the next day, on Thursday, I had a profit about $100, and on Friday I basically gave back all of it plus more. So I ended up losing around $256 on this trade. So these were my positions. So for my first trade, I opened 2 put positions for 432 strike, bought it for 225, sold it for 248, made $46 over there. Next lengthy trade, 433 put, and bought it for 150 and sold it for 152. So for holding it for around like 1 hour, I just got $4. So clearly that was not a good trade. And the last trade, 2 contracts for 440 put, bought it at 175, sold it at 17 cents. So got a massive hit over there and ended up losing around $256 on that day. So yeah, not a good trade, but that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and see you again in next trade recap. Take care of yourself, stay safe, stay warm, and see ya.